Hey everybody, what's happening? This week's unboxing is all about power. We all love a bit of power, so this week those guys at PV sent me something very powerful, a Crest CKd Amplifier. Let's have a look at that box. It certainly got me excited. I can't wait to get this one open. Got my unboxing knife. Whoa, this looks great. It's a 2U device, and this is just designed for installation projects. Looking at the front, we've got 8 level meters so we can see what each channel is up to, and a power indicator. Here's the space for the air intake to keep this bad boy nice and cool. Then we've got the power switch. It's a big one. Okay, let's have a look at the back where all the action really happens. There's a lot going on here. We've got power, of course, but then look at this little connector. It's the remote power bus. You can just daisy chain your amplifiers together so you can power them up in sequence all from one button. You just click the power switch into standby mode and the remote bus does the rest. Next, we've got 8 loudspeaker out terminals. Now, because this is an install amp, the volume controls are at the back. You don't want just anyone fiddling with those. Above that, we can configure each channel to be low impedance, 70 volt or 100 volt line. This is completely flexible, so I can mix and match any load to any channel. I just need one amplifier for my whole project. Then I've got the mute, fault, and signal active lights so I can see exactly what's going on. But this light here is more interesting. It's for active clip limiting. The amplifier will automatically reduce the gain if it gets a distorted signal in order to protect your loudspeakers. It's also for instantaneous gain modulation, which helps prevent the amplifier overloading. I'm not going to blow up any more loudspeakers, but that's another story. Next, we've got our audio inputs, and then we've got GPIO ports for volume controls, and we've also got outputs to report faults. You see, this thing's got built-in load monitoring, so if I do get a problem with a loudspeaker or a cable, it will tell me if anything is wrong with that circuit. That's going to save on repairs, much less downtime. In this slot here, we've got the Dante card, so you can hook it up to an audio network. You can even control it with software for the PV Neon. This is how people do stadiums and stuff with the CKd amplifier, seamlessly operating with signal processing. That's what I call integration! So, there's a family of these amps. You can get them in 4 or 8 channel with 625 or 1250 watts per channel. That's up to 10 kilowatts in a 2U package. I did say we were talking about power today! These things are used in all sorts of professional audio environments, theaters, stadiums, music venues, houses of worship, anywhere you need flexibility, power, processing, and monitoring. These are world-class amps designed for world-class projects. And let's not forget, they've got a world-class box as well. Next week, I'm reviewing the Timebox Personal Hadron Collider.